Tiffany has somehow convinced me to go on a road trip across this tiny island south of Australia known as Tasmania. And how did she pick this? Because of this little guy, the Tasmanian devil. And that's where our knowledge of Tasmania ends. What could possibly go wrong? Welcome to day one. We have made it to Tasmania, on our way to pick up our car now, and then we can start our road trip. This is us. I don't even know what brand this is. MG.
MG, never.
Nice, reliable Australian MG. Is it running?
Wait, there's somebody in the car.
Oh, wait, did you give us the wrong car?
Oh.
That's the wrong license. Maybe you gave us the wrong bay.
Oh.
All right, here's our car. This will be our friend for the next 4 days.
Oh.
This is weird. It is weird being on this side of the car. All right, where's the first place we're going?
What was that coffee shop?
Oh, it was Hobart Coffee Roasters,
Okay.
I believe.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I've never driven on right side, I guess left side of the road.
Right side of the car. Are you ready?
Am I ready? I don't know. Does this thing have a backup camera?
First thing I said is I hope there's no roundabouts, and here we are. Don't go the wrong way. Do what this guy does. We did it.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Oh my god, another
roundabout.
No, nothing but roundabout.
It's like the final boss of roundabouts. Oh god, we're cutting a car off.
We're going.
Okay, we're good. Look at Tassie. Wait, there's no like
Divider.
They're just like, don't drive in the middle lane. Tiffany's first time driving on the left. What are your thoughts?
Nearly murdered Matt.
Oh, with your words, yeah. Tiffany holding down the road. She looks miserable.
Yeah, because surrounded by passenger princesses.
Not with your driving, though.
My driving is fine, okay?
Well, this is Hobart. Our first stop here. Hobart Coffee Roasters.
Ooh, cherry cold brew.
We're starting off our Tasmanian trip with a little walk through Hobart. Parked our car. And yeah, we're gonna see what this little city has to offer.
This was me yelling at Matt, trying to drive in the stressful opposite side of what I'm used to. Just
Before we go, what should we name our car for our road trip?
the wombat.
The Wombat. All right, here he is. Does he look like a wombat? It's not really a name. Quick stop at the laundry. A complimentary laundry powder. Wash our clothes from the trip. If you ever need to do laundry in Tasmania, hit up our place, The Lost Sock, the complimentary laundry powder. All right, let's find some stuff to do while our clothes wash. You wanna go get your hair cut? Brighten Hair and Beauty. What do we got? A little Lunchable. The flavored milks.
Oh, Bluey.
The Bluey.
I want a nippy.
Nippies, we got iced honeycomb with the Boss from Japan. Okay, we are big IGA lovers. Here's our favorite grocery store, IGA Brighton. Okay, are you ready to hear what I've come up with for our car name?
Yes, let's hear it.
This car, his name shall be Barry, the bargain car rental. IGA food hall. We got cracker cuts, cheese, the salami, Vita Wheat, 5-star health rating.
The way these are good.
Oh, we got this yogurt, which you should probably eat now, I guess.
I probably should eat that.
This is a toffee and honeycomb yogurt. We also got a hot cross bun from Banjo's Bakery Cafe. They said pre-order it, so it's gotta be good. Never had to pre-order a pastry. The Ridgy Didge Drover's Barbie Nut Mix.
They're gonna come for us.
I see why Australians talk like that now. And we got a bunch of popcorn to snack on. All right.
Time to taste this cracker.
Taste this 5-star health rating cracker. Well,
Tastes like cardboard.
it's healthy. It does taste exactly like cardboard.
It reminds me of the wheat bran that you just like stick in a bowl and it's like a brick.
You put milk on it.
You put milk on it and you crush it with your spoon. Not the worst. Maybe it's good with cheese and salami.
The cheese and salami will carry it. All right, the healthiest lunch you'll ever see. Okay. It is good, despite the fact that this cracker is literally cardboard. But it's got good fiber. Can't complain. The flavor's fine. We are at Bonarong Wildlife Sanctuary.
So we made it to the sanctuary. We are a little bit early, so our night feeding starts at 5:30, but it includes general entry. We're gonna just kind of like take our time, walk around before our tour.
How loud they are. They're so annoying. It's on free cockatoo. Oh my god, they are loud.
He sees all the other ones flying free, and he's just trapped in there. Hello.
Hi. Look at your friend eating the wall.
How's it going? He looks sleepy. They like tuck their little beaks into their back. He's a sleepy boy. Or girl.
You came all this way just to see this guy.
Don't worry, there will be more Tasmanian devils on it. Oh,
You scared him.
He's eating. Oh my gosh, look at this doofy little log.
They're so weird looking. Wait, let me see this other one.
Oh, look at him like smelling for the food. Look at him walk.
What the heck? These things are so weird.
Look at him walk. That's his butt.
Why is he walking like that? Look at his hands.
I love him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, touch noses.
Don't tell them to touch noses. These things are the weirdest things I've ever seen in my life.
I don't like the slander for the echidnas. They're beautiful.
They have like spiky backs.
Yeah. Oh.
What the heck was that? Dude, these things are so weird. Look, he buried his nose in the sand.
He's eating. He's like looking for food.
Why does he look like he's limping?
Hi, kookaburras. Like, look at their little floofy feathers. Oh, he's gone home. Oh my god, I love them. Hi, Boo. I love him.
I don't think it's a duck.
I mean, it's clearly not a duck. Hello, sir.
No, wait.
I like your beak.
How's this bird okay with you walking behind it? Somebody is now approaching every single animal. There it is. Get away from the wallaby. It's ready to run.
Oh, wait.
Definitely friends with this wallaby somehow. It's like a big rabbit. This is a POV. You showed up in the wrong part of town.
Hi.
He's a big boy.
You're so cute.
And ferocious.
Hello.
And unfortunately the microphones died for a little bit here, but this is Lou, our tour guide. Her job is basically feeding the animals every night, or I'm sure there's more to her job than that, but that's what we were watching her do. And she basically took us around, explained a little bit about each of these animals. A lot of them are unique to Tasmania, or at least Australia. And yeah, she would tell us the story of how they all got here. Most of them were hit by cars or something, because there are no predators on Tasmania, just cars. There are a lot of cars. They're feeding the, what is it called?
Eastern Quoll. Loved it. They're so cute. Obsessed with them.
Did you pet it at all?
I did. And they kind of felt like little cats.
Bird drama.
Oh my gosh, stop! No.
And of course, the grand finale is the wombat. How was Bonarong Wildlife Sanctuary?
I loved it. It was an incredible experience. We did the night tour. We basically had the whole park to ourselves. A lot of the animals that are brought in just due to either being injured and are brought in to be rehabilitated. Some of them can't be released back into the wild just due to the injuries that they sustained. And they have programs that they work on to rehabilitate and then release. So kind of depending on the animal, they will do that. And she walked us through all of that, but it was incredible. What was your favorite animal?
The echidna. The echidnas are so interesting.
They're super sweet and cute and adorable. The one that we got to feed was named Tamagotchi, and he was injured by a car.
A lot of car injuries.
Yeah. While
Almost
he
all
was
of them are hit by cars.
fine to be released post-car injury, they found out he was blind. So probably not best to release, so he now permanently resides there and is the cutest, weird looking creature. Great experience. 10 out of 10.
You can tell it is dark since we did this experience. Probably grab some food and make our way to our accommodation for the night. Okay, here's our Airbnb for the night. It's this beautiful little barn in the Lowlands. It's called
Elm Cottage Barn. Super cute.
They have all kinds of food. We forgot food, so we got here very late, and the host is very sweet. She came in to make sure we were able to find the place. It's a beautiful little Airbnb, and we'll see you tomorrow.